Welcome to the Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast channel.
Question: How do beta-HCG levels change in the second trimester quad screen of Down syndrome? Answer: increase. Question: Which enzyme involved in pyrimidine synthesis does leflunomide inhibit? Answer: dihydrorotate dehydrogenase. Question: How many calories per gram are obtained from carbohydrates? Answer: 4 kilocalories per gram. Question: What is the genetic inheritance of the most common form of osteogenesis imperfecta? Answer: autosomal dominant. Question: Which water-soluble vitamin is an essential component of fatty acid synthase? Answer: vitamin B5, pantothenate. Question: Which amino acids are involved in O-linked glycosylation in the Golgi apparatus? Answer: serine, threonine. Question: What is the mechanism of action of N-acetylcysteine in the treatment of cystic fibrosis? Answer: cleavage of the disulfide bonds in mucus glycoproteins, thereby clearing mucus plugs. Question: How does G6PD activity in the hexose monophosphate shunt change with nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate regulation? Answer: decrease. Question: Which protein kinase controls fructose bisphosphate 2 and PFK2 in the regulation of PFK1? Answer: protein kinase A. Question: Which intermediate in the TCA cycle can be made from glutamate via transaminase? Answer: alpha-ketoglutarate. Question: What is the key distinguishing feature between Neiman-Pick and Tay-Sachs disease? Answer: Tay-Sachs does not have hepatosplenomegaly. Question: How do pregnancy-associated plasma protein A levels change in the first trimester in Edwards syndrome? Answer: decrease. Question: What trinucleotide repeat is seen in Fragile X syndrome? Answer: CGG. Question: Where inside fibroblasts is collagen synthesized? Answer: rough ER. Question: Which nicotinamide electron acceptor is generally used in catabolic processes to carry reducing equivalents away as NADH? Answer: nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Question: Which amino acid can be converted into alpha-ketoglutarate via transaminase? Answer: glutamate, requires B6. Question: Which fat-soluble vitamin is the cofactor for gamma carboxylation of glutamic acid residues on various proteins involved in blood clotting? Answer: vitamin K. Question: Which enzyme in the purine salvage pathway converts xanthine into uric acid? Answer: xanthine oxidase. Question: What is the Vmax of glucokinase compares to hexokinase? Answer: higher. Question: Which stereoisomer of amino acids is found in proteins? Answer: L-form. Question: Which enzyme involved with DNA replication degrades RNA primers and replaces it with DNA? Answer: DNA polymerase I. Question: What is the genetic inheritance of hereditary spherocytosis? Answer: AD. Question: How many kcal of energy is obtained from 1 gram of alcohol? Answer: 7 kilocalories. Question: Which enzyme is deficient in McArdle disease? Answer: skeletal muscle glycogen phosphorylase. Question: What B vitamin is niacin? Answer: B3. Question: What type of collagen is found in fascia? Answer: type 1. Question: Which enzyme involved with pyrimidine synthesis is inhibited by negative feedback in adenosine deaminase deficiency? Answer: ribonucleotide reductase, due to the excess ATP and DATP. Question: What is the rate-determining enzyme of de novo pyrimidine synthesis? Answer: carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2. Question: How do methylmalonic acid levels change in vitamin B12 deficiency? Answer: increase. Question: What is the most common type of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome? Answer: hypermobility type, with joint instability. Question: What is the genetic inheritance of G6PD deficiency? Answer: X-linked recessive. Question: Which enzyme involved in de novo pyrimidine synthesis is inhibited by the antineoplastic drug hydroxyurea? Answer: ribonucleotide reductase. Question: What vitamin deficiency can be caused by Hartnup disease? Answer: vitamin B3, niacin. Question: What is the most common viable chromosomal disorder? Answer: Down syndrome. Question: Which enzyme involved in the purine salvage pathway converts adenosine into inosine? Answer: adenosine deaminase. Question: What is the most numerous type of RNA? Answer: rRNA. Question: Which major lysosomal storage disorder affects both the central nervous system and reticuloendothelial system? Answer: Neiman-Pick disease. Question: how does the risk of Alzheimer disease change in Down syndrome? Answer, increase. Question, which isoform of hexokinase is inducible by insulin? Answer, glucokinase. Question, where in the cell does the TCA cycle occur? Answer, mitochondria. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of familial hypercholesterolemia? Answer, AD. Question, what amino acid is porphyrin derived from? Answer, glycine. Question, which enzyme in the respiratory burst forms hypochlorite from H2O2? Answer, myeloperoxidase. Question, how does epinephrine influence glycogenolysis? Answer, activation. Question, what are the fat-soluble vitamins?
Answer, vitamin A, D, E, and K.
Question, how do estriol levels change in the second trimester quad screen of Down syndrome? Answer, decrease. Question, which fat-soluble vitamin acts as an antioxidant, especially in red blood cells? Answer, vitamin E, tocopherol, tocotrienol. Question, how does the activity of fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase in gluconeogenesis change with fructose 2,6-bisphosphate regulation? Answer, decrease. Question, which 4 amino acids have defective transport in cystinuria? Answer, cysteine, ornithine, lysine, arginine. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of McArdle disease? Answer, autosomal recessive. Question, what is the life expectancy for someone with Tay-Sachs disease? Answer, 3 to 4 years old. Question, how does an increase in ATP levels influence the TCA cycle? Answer, inhibition. Question, which enzyme in the TCA cycle is the major regulation point of the pathway? Answer, isocitrate dehydrogenase. Question, how does glucagon influence ketogenesis? Answer, activation. Question, which enzyme is deficient in fructose intolerance? Answer, aldolase B. Question, which histone protein is the only histone not part of the nucleosome core? Answer, H1. Question, which lipoprotein acts as a repository for APOC and APOE? Answer, HDL. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of Cartogner syndrome, primary ciliary dyskinesia? Answer, autosomal recessive. Question, what type of anemia is seen in vitamin B9, folic acid, deficiency? Answer, megaloblastic anemia. Question, what vitamin is deficient in Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome? Answer, vitamin B1, thiamine. Question, which structural form of chromatin is transcriptionally active? Answer, euchromatin. Question, how do pregnancy-associated plasma protein A levels change in the first trimester in Patau syndrome, trisomy 13? Answer, decrease. Question, how does PRPP aminotransferase activity in de novo purine synthesis change with AMP regulation? Answer, decrease. Question, what is the typical blood cholesterol level for patients homozygous for familial hypercholesterolemia? Answer, greater than or equal to 700 mg per deciliter. Question, which nucleotide base pairing has the strongest bonding? Answer, guanine cytosine due to 3 hydrogen bonds. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of Neiman-Pick disease? Answer, autosomal recessive. Question, which enzyme in the electron transport chain produces H2O? Answer, cytochrome oxidase. Question, which 2 ribosomal subunits make up eukaryotic ribosomes? Answer, small subunit, 40S, and large subunit, 60S. Question, which type of G protein is involved in glucagon and epinephrine signaling? Answer, GS. Question, what is the rate-determining enzyme of de novo purine synthesis? Answer, PRPP aminotransferase. Question, what type of mutation is seen in Becker muscular dystrophy? Answer, point mutation. Question, what is the rate-determining enzyme of fatty acid oxidation? Answer, carnitine acyltransferase 1. Question, how does histone acetylation influence DNA transcription? Answer, activation, by relaxing DNA coiling. Question, what gene undergoes a frameshift mutation in Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Answer, dystrophin, mutation truncates the proteins, results in accelerated muscle breakdown. Question, how many ATP molecules are produced by ATP synthase for every FOD2 molecule? Answer, 1.5 ATP are produced in the electron transport chain. Question, what is the treatment for maple syrup urine disease? Answer, restriction of BCAAs in the diet, thiamine supplementation. Thiamine is a required cofactor for branched-chain alpha-ketoacid dehydrogenase. Question: What is the genetic inheritance of Gaucher disease? Answer: autosomal recessive. Thank you for listening Dr. Izzy's medical podcast series. If you want to support this project, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.